Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the SmartyPants Kids Formula Daily Gummy Vitamins, Gluten-Free Multivitamin Omega-3 Fish Oil, EPA, Methyl B12 Vitamin D3 Vitamin B6 120 count, 30-day supply. Packaging may vary. It seems expensive, but if you add other supplements such as omega-3s and vitamin D, it would be more expensive than this. Great vitamins, my kids like them and they say they taste good too. The best part is that they are multivitamin with fish oil in them, so my kids don't have to take 2 vitamins. One does the trick. My daughter likes taking these vitamins. A lot of others are too sour or too bitter for her and she is resistant to taking them. Flintstones, Disney Princess, etc. SmartyPants she liked off the bat, then halfway through chewing she mentioned a funny aftertaste, but now she takes them with no problem and comments on how good they are. And my child loves the taste. My only gripe would be that the container states that the dosage is 4 per day. Speaking for my children, they say they taste great and they feel smarter. Not sure about the last one, but what you believe, it's what you get. These are high quality vitamins that contain the best supplements in the form that is easiest for your body to process. My children love to take their SmartyPants gummies. The flavors are almost exactly like regular gummies, so they don't know mommy is giving them healthy nutritional supplements while enjoying their candy, as they call them. One of my kids loves them, but the one who is sensitive to bitter and to textures isn't a fan. The label states that the supplement is made in California in a GMP certified facility, which reassures me on the manufacturing procedures followed to make these gummies. The kids look forward to taking these gummies and remind me about taking them, so at least it is not a battle. He is more attentive, can follow more than one-step directions, and is able to remain out of trouble at school. Most of the truly healthy multivitamins are not something my girls have enjoyed taking. No taste to them or they taste nasty. The only downside is that the serving size is 4 pieces, so even though it looks like you are getting a lot, it is really only a 30-day supply if you take it like you are supposed to. A little pricey since the serving size is 4, and with 2 kids this container doesn't even last me a month. For comparison, the sugar content in these is equivalent to 1 to a pouch of Annie's organic fruit snacks, same kind of sugar also. The bad news is that if you look at the daily allowance of vitamins, you can pretty much feed your kids a whole jar in a week. Without question the best gummy vitamin on the market. It not only tastes good, it is jam-packed with yummy flavor, and the best supplements. Not only do the kids eat them, love them too. He takes all 4 at the same time and never has any problems, whether it's before or after he eats. My girls enjoy the taste and love that they are getting their vitamins and omegas as they need. Also highly recommend K2 with D3. So it makes me think advertising is a little off, as you think you are getting maybe a double supply of gummies for the price, but you aren't. My son loves taking these. They taste amazing. May have tried 1 or 2 myself and they re so good for him. If she were taking separate vitamins for regular daily vitamins, vitamin D and omega-3, she would be taking at least that many, if not more. Great deal, and you can pay too much to keep your child healthy. Oh yeah, he loves the way they taste. They do argue about who gets lemon, since none of them really like it unless they mix it with another flavor. However, my daughter takes them in the morning and she seems to have more pep in her step since taking them. This was a good buy, worked as well as most other vitamins. My daughter liked the taste and texture of these compared to other gummies. 50-day is pretty minimal, right at S1 less can of soda for those who drink that stuff, and most people don't blink an eye paying for a soda. The serving size is 4 gummies, but after reading about it, the reason is to keep the fishy taste to a minimum. Best vitamins, great taste, a little too sugary, but sometimes you have to choose quality, great price. My son loves them. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.